It is Levi's birthday today, and so we bought him a whole bunch of balloons that he could play with his fans. We weren't thinking about how they would get stuck in the rafters of this room, but I'm gonna use the a new e-stick. It's got glow in the dark. To put it up over here. Come on, balloons. Happy birthday, Levi. 10 years old. He is 10 today. Okay, Levi, turn on that fan. Woo! Okay, oh, it's getting stuck, everybody. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Not how I thought this would go, but hey, we'll just make it work. Woo! Okay, shall we do a spin down now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do a spin down. And if a random balloon gets over there, well, all the better, huh? Balloon. Oh. Yes, I almost fell. Hilarious one. Wasn't how I thought it'd be, but it wasn't because I didn't try. Happy birthday, Lee.